Senegal is a country of bright minds and thinkers. Kocc Barma is one of the most famous ones. This is a short narration of his life. Indeed, Kocc Barma is known for being a visionary and a great thinker. He is the author of the most popular proverbs in the Senegalese oral tradition. People commonly refer to him in order to support their own opinion. He was born in 1586 under the name of Birima Makhouredia Demba Khoulefa in the kingdom of Kayor. He had a conflictual relationship with the Damels of his times. Daoud Demba is often quoted as an example because he was a Tainare king who lost his throne thanks to Kocc. But Kocc was mostly famous for his haircut. Indeed, he had 4 tufts of hair, each representing a truth. The first one was, "You shall love your wife, but shall not fully trust her." The second one is, "A king is not a reliable relative." The third one was, "Your stepchild will never look at you as his own father." The last one is, "Any country needs an elder." The following story confirms these maxims. Indeed, Kocc shared the meanings of his haircut to his wife only, but she revealed them to the king. The king was angry and ordered Kocc to be arrested and executed. When the executor was about to behead Kocc, his stepson required him to give him back his clothes he was wearing before his death because he didn't want it to get dirty with the blood of Kocc. That's when an elder stood from the crowd and addressed to the king, convincing him to let him leave. The king eventually came back to reason and ordered Kocc to be freed, and he let him leave. Then Kocc raised and said, "I was right. I was betrayed by my wife at the first place. The king wanted to kill me despite our blood bonds. My stepson left me naked while I was about to die. Eventually, the elder restored order and saved my life."